Welcome to Simply GIS. GIS for everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome to Simply GIS YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add non-spatial point data with latitude and longitude in QGIS software. In many cases, we collect GPS point data and export them through Excel to our GIS software. Often, we collect station-based temperature, precipitation and other weather related data which are generally tabulated in Excel then mapped in QGIS. In this example, I have a data where station-based temperature data are recorded. Here you can see these are the name of the station and latitude and longitude of the stations are written. At the same time, the recorded temperature of the specific stations are also recorded. I will import and visualize that Excel data in QGIS. For every point, we have latitude and longitude. With this latitude and longitude data, we can convert them to point in our GIS software. To do that, we first save this Excel data as CSV so that our GIS software can read them. For that, change the save as type to comma delimited.csv. Here, rename this point data station points dot csv. Okay, okay, save. So when my data is saved as CSV, you can see here, I will import it in QGIS. For this, go to QGIS, and in QGIS, you know how to add the layers. So go to layer, add layer, and in add layer, you can see there is an option called add delimited text layer. Click on it. A new data source manager window will open. In this window, there is an option called file name. Here you have to select the file from the destination folder. For this, go to browse option and go to the folder where the table is saved. So you can see station points.csv is there. For your information, QGIS mainly read .csv file, not the .xls file. If you import the .xls file, that will not work out. So keep in mind you have to select .csv file. I'm selecting it, opening it. When you will open, the sample data of the table will show likewise. So what you need to do, you have to set the latitude longitude as well as the projection. So go to geometry definition and you will find that it will automatically load the longitude and latitude as the x and y field. Generally, x field are the longitude, y field are the latitude. If it does not come automatically, if there are a lot of layers, you can select from the drop down here. When longitude and latitude are selected, you have to select the geometry CRS. Generally, for your own purpose, select it as a WGS84. Okay. Now, when I have selected the latitude and longitude fields as well as the coordinate system, click on add. You can see the point layers have been added to my data frame. I want to check the name of the stations, show label. You can see the name of the stations are also visible. And you can also check the details in the attribute layer. So latitude, longitude and temperature columns are there. With this, when your data is added, you can further work with the data by visualizing the temperature or interpolating the temperature to create the raster map. To interpolate, for interpolation, I have a separate video. You can check that. Thank you. Simply GIS is offering 6 months course on basic of remote sensing and GIS. You can visit our website simplygis.in and check details about the course. It is a 6 month course. The classes will be held online on Saturday and Sunday. The time is flexible. Here is the registration form. You can click and register yourself. This is the detailed course structure. For more videos on remote sensing and GIS and tutorials of QGIS and ArcMap, please subscribe our channel Simply GIS and also click on the notification icon. There are playlists on QGIS and ArcMap. You can check them.